Good morning, dear student. I hope all are you are well. In previous class, we have discussed up to question number 5. Today, we will discuss question number 6. You know the topic is going on multiplication of integers. Now, the question number 6 that is also based on the same thing, but there is a little bit change, not much more change. Just first read the question. In a class test containing 15 questions, how many questions here? 15. 4 marks are for every correct answer. Means you are doing correct, you are getting 4 marks. 4 marks if you are getting, you can say this is plus 4. What is this? You can say plus 4 marks you can get. Okay. And minus 2 marks for given for every incorrect answer. Means you are doing any incorrect answer attempting, then you will get a minus 2 marks. Means negative marks. Now A part asking you Millie attempts all questions but only 9 of her answer are correct. Millie attempt how many? All. All means 15 questions he attempt. Okay. How many correct here? 9. If 9 are correct, then the score of 9 questions how much? You know, one question how much marks? Having 4 marks. 9 question how many marks have? Noun questions correct marks is 9 into 4. Okay, these are your correct answer. But how many C have done wrong? You know, 15 questions C attempt, 9 right. Then 15 minus 9, how many left? 6. It means she have done 6 wrong answer. Means she have attempt 6 wrong. If she attempt the 6 wrong, on that 6, how much she gets marks? Minus 2. How many she gets? Minus 2. You add these values, multiply it by minus 2. Okay. Now you see, you simplify it, what you will get? 9 fours are, I'm simplifying it above side. 9 fours are 36 and minus, because this plus into minus you will get minus 6 twos are 12. How much left? 24. It means Millie have scored here 24 marks. How many marks Millie get here? 24. Okay. I hope you understand this. Again you understand this. 9 correct, 9 fours are 36 correct. Okay. How many wrong? 6. 6 twos are 12. 12 are whose marks? Negative marks. Okay. Now 36 minus 12, how much? 24. Simple. I hope you understand this. Now B part. John gets only 5 answer correct. Here is not an information is given about John attempt how many. Here is not clearly it mentioned. So its answer may be changed. I am not taking the guarantee what is the answer in your book is given, but according to this question, if you read it, John gets only 5 answer correct. Only 5. If I am supposing he attempt only 5 answer, it means what is his score? You just say 5 into how many correct answer marks he will get? 4. You should multiply it by 4. 5 fours are 20. It means John gets only 20 marks. Okay. If the information is not given, for John is attempting the all. If we suppose the John attempts all, then you should multiply the remaining question. How many remaining question here? 10. 10 into 2, 20. Then his score will be 0 because the 20 plus marks he will get, and after that 20 he will get negative marks for remaining 10 questions. Then you will get 0. So I am supposing here he have attempted only 5. Now according to 5, his score is 20. Okay, I hope you understand this question very well. Now, question number 7. See now, question number 7. A certain freezing process requires that the room temperature lowered from 40 degrees Celsius. Okay. Room temperature how much? 40 degrees Celsius. Yes, it's all right. Our room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. Okay. The temperature is cooling down. Okay. Freezing process, what happens in freezing process? Temperature will be decreased. So how much it is decreased in 1 hour? 5 degrees Celsius. For decreasing, what sign you can use? Negative sign. What sign you use? Negative sign. It means this degree is 5. Okay. Now, after 10 hours, in 10 hours, how many it decrease? How much it will decrease? In 1 hour, it decrease 5. In 1 hour, it decrease 5. 1 hour, how much? 5. Then, in 10 hour, how much it is decreases? 50. 10 5 is 50. It means at 50 degrees, which sign you use for degrees? Minus sign. We have to apply here negative sign. How much we need to decrease here? 50 degrees. Okay. Now you subtract this value. 40 minus 50, what you will get? You see, this 40 having here plus sign and this 50 having here negative sign. So both are having a different sign. If both are having a different sign, then what we will do? We just do here difference. 50 minus 40 you will get 10. Okay. Now one thing you tell me. This answer is right? If right, tell. Think, is it right? I am giving you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. See, this answer is not right. Why? Because I have just done 50 minus 40. I have right here 10. But you see, this 50 is a larger here. If we regardless of sign, it count. Then what is the sign in placed before 50 here? Minus. So you also apply here a negative sign. It means your answer is minus 10 degrees Celsius. And for freezing, you also know that very low temperature you need to require. Okay. So your final answer you write minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now we are moving on the next question. Next question number 8. If the distance above ground is represented by a positive integer, okay, this is our ground, okay, this is our ground, and the above ground we represent positive, okay. Now below ground we represent by negative integer, okay. Then answer the following: an elevator descending into a mine shaft at the rate of 5 meters per minute. Okay. What will be the what will be the its position after quarter an hour? Okay. You know that in 1 minute how much it moves? 5 meter. Okay. How much? 5 meter. It is descending. Descending means from top to bottom. Top to bottom. This is top. This is bottom. In this way, he is coming. Okay. An elevator. Descending into a mine shaft at a rate of 5 meter per minute. 5 meter per minute means in 1 minute how much? In 1 minute it moves 5 meter. Okay. What will its position after quarter an hour? Quarter an hour means 1 by 4. Quarter means 1 by 4. An hour means how many minutes in 1 hour? 60 minutes. You simplify this, you will get 50. 15. What you will get? 15. it means this quarter and hour means 15 minutes. Okay, in 1 minute how much it moves? 5 meter. And for distance you can use your negative sign. You can use your negative sign. Okay, distance means you are going in below direction. Now we have to find 15 minutes. It means in 15 minutes it goes more descent, means it goes in more below side. Okay, now this distance must be decreased, means distance is increases, but according to below side you will go in below level. Now 15 minute, in 15 minutes how much you are moving? See, minus 5 multiply with 15, because your distance will increase. Okay, how much you are in, your distance will increase in negative form? 15 5 ja 75, 75 meter. Okay, here your answer is 75 meter. You go in this. Next, if height to descends from 15 meter above the ground, from 15 meter above the ground, what will be its position after 20 minutes? Okay, in 20 minutes what its move? See, in 1 minute he moves 5, but in 20 minutes how much he can move? How much he can move? See here, in 20 minutes. I am doing a P question. Okay, in 1 minute he moves 5 meter in downward direction. In 20 minutes he moves more. How much more? Minus 5 into 20. What you will get? Minus 100. You are getting here minus 100. Okay, it means minus 100 meter he moves downward direction. Okay, now if it begins to descend from 15 meter above the ground, for above the ground it means this is a positive value. It means in starting he is 15 meter above the ground. Okay, but now he have came down how much? 100 meter. Now you add this value 100 meter with negative sign. Okay, after that what you will get? What will be its position after 20 minutes? After 20 minutes you will get here what is? Minus 85. Okay, for minus 85 what representing? You see, minus 85 representing this goes from below side how much? Minus 25, sorry, minus 85, and the above side how much it is? 15. 15 plus 85 how much? 100, because total 100 he goes downward direction. Okay, and 15 in above side and 85 in below side. So 85 if you are going in below side, this must you represent by negative sign. That's why we have used here negative sign. Okay, I hope you understand. Now next question number 9. 0 is the multiplicative identity for integer. Remember the previous class, I have discussed you multiplicative identity. You know the what is the multiplicative identity? Means number does not change. By which number you multiply 2, the number value does not change. Multiply by 1. 3 by which number you multiply, you will not get a change number. 3 multiply by 1. Simple. If you multiply 2 by 0, you will get 0. It means you are not getting 2. It means 0 is not your identity. If this is not your identity, what you say here? You say this is false. Okay. Next. Integer are closed under multiplication? Yes, absolutely. What is the closure property? Closed means here closure property. Closure property telling that we choose any two element and apply the operation whatever the question is telling, and after that result we will get the number in that category. It means the closure property exists there. Okay, so we are selecting here two integers, suppose 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. Question is telling the under multiplication operation. I am applying here multiplication operation. Now 2 3 are 6. What you get here? This 6 is also an integer, because these two are integer. After multiplication we will get again the number in the form of integer. It means this is our 2. Next, the product of three negative integer is positive integer. No, see how. -1 multiply with -1 multiply with -1. See, this minus into minus plus. Now what is your answer? You say +1, and after that what is left there? Multiply -1. You write here. Now you see here again, minus into plus, you will get minus. I told you, whenever the different sign you will get, then here minus. If the same sign, you will get here positive. Okay, if the minus minus, then you will get here positive. You see here the minus minus, you will get here positive. After that, now you see here the different signs, so we will get negative sign. Now 1 into 1, you will get 1. You see here we have multiplied here three numbers. We have multiplied here three numbers, but result you see we will get a negative. Question is telling, is this positive? No. What you say here? False. This is our false. Okay. Now the D of part here. The product of two integers is always greater than the each of them. Okay. Product of two integers always greater than each of them. See, 2 into 3 equals to 6. This 6 is greater than 2. This 6 is greater than 3. Yes, according to this it is right, but see another view of this. If I write here -2 multiply with 3, what you will get here? -6. What you notice here? See here, 2 3 are 6 and -6. You see this -2 is greater than -6. Similarly, this 3 is greater than -6. Okay. So see here, the product of two integers is always greater than each of them. Each of them. So here you notice that the product is greater. This is your product. This is your product. You have got it here. This is greater than these two integers. But here this is your product. And in this, you see here, these all the integers are greater here. The product is smaller here. So in this condition, this violate this statement. It means this is not always true. It depends on nature of integers. So this statement is your false statement. Okay. Now see the E part. Any integer multiplied by 0 gives 0. Very simple. 1 multiply 0, what you will get? 0. What you will get? 0. So this answer is it's okay. Thank you. Have a nice day and try the MCQs and thoughts. If you do, it is good for you and it enhance your knowledge.